Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to Spring Boot application development. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, we have got you covered with the tutorial tips and tricks to help you build amazing application this spring season. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's start creating an Spring Boot application. So to do that, you need to type spring dot io in your browser. So you just need to click on the initializer. So once you click on the initializer, you will be given a bunch of options. So you can select the project, either Gradle or a Kotlin, Maven. So in this project, I'll just choose a Gradle and the language as Java, and I'll use a 3.23, which is the latest current version. And I'll name the project as creative co, and artifact name as spring boot application, and I'll use a packaging as jar, and you can say as var. And then we also have a Java 17 selected. That's fine. And then I'll select some of the dependencies. So we are building a web application, so I'll use a web dependency. And then we'll also need to have a JPA for SQL queries and data persistence. And then I'll also add Liquibase. So I'll use a Liquibase to create a table or insert a queries into the database. And then I'll also use a theme leaf. So this gives a templates. I'll not be creating any of the front end application, but other than that, I'll also need to have a MySQL. So here I'll use a MySQL driver, and I'll also use a Lombok for an annotation processor, right? So once you do that, you just need to click on generate. So the downloaded file will be generated. That is done. So I'll just open my IntelliJ Community Edition. Click on file and then open. And once, so I'll just try to find the application, so which is in a desktop. So let's say Spring Boot application. Let's click OK. So trust this one, and then I'll choose this one. So once I open this application, so you'll be seeing a bunch of auto-generated code. So and scripts will be loaded by the IntelliJ automatically. So yeah, so now the file, the dependencies are all downloaded, and if you see the main and test folders are changed into a module. And now you can see under Java, so we have a Spring Boot application. So this is our Spring Boot application which runs everything. So now if I start building the application, it should build and run the once I build the application, I can run the uh, main application. Okay, so we have a test failure here. So for now, I'll just get rid of this test function, which we may use it on the later part. So let's build it again. successful. That's it for today, guys. On the next class, we'll see how to configure the MySQL and connecting to the DB. Thank you.